Ta-da!
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ghazali. My matrix number is EX03493. So for today's video, I will be sharing about the topic of the role, the power, and the function of the industrial court. Okay, first, let's see what is the role of the industrial court. The role of the industrial court is to promote industrial harmony or regulate the relationship between employers and their employees, between the trade unions and the employee organization, and resolve disputes arising from this relation. Not just that, the role of industrial court also covers to uphold social justice. It also to act in accordance with equity, good conscience, and substantial merits of the case. It's also creating a harmonious industrial environment through the process of arbitration, and the decision of the court consistent with Industrial Relations Act 1967. So what is the power of the industrial court? The industrial court is a creature of statute, the Industrial Relations Act 1967. So its powers are derived from provision of the statute, which are the rules of the game, and the industrial court has to decide according to these rules. The power of conferred upon the industrial court have the force of law behind it, and are not exercisable by reason of discretion vested in it. In other words, the industrial court has the function within the limits imposed by the statute that created it and to act according to its provision. Next, let's see what is the function of the industrial court. The function of industrial court is to hear and hand down decisions or awards in industrial disputes referred to it by the minister or directly by the parties. It also to grant cognizance to the collective agreements which have been jointly deposited by the employers or trade union of employers and trade union of the employees. So, I would like to share about what types of cases that heard in the industrial court. The first example is the dismissal of workmen, which have been referred to the industrial court by a minister. The second example, application by any party bound by an award or collective agreement to the interpretation, amendment, variation thereof. Another example is application made by any party bound by an award to refer to High Court on questions of law. Next, the complaints of non-compliance of an award or collective agreement. Cases of victimization in connection with trade union activities also will be heard in industrial court. The industrial court is armed with the jurisdiction to decide upon complaints of dismissal which are alleged to be without just cause or excuse. The industrial court may award the following remedies, which is reinstatement of the employee concerned and monetary compensation in the form of back wages. So that's all for today's video. We'll be meet again in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.